You're supposed to be living your dream, but something happens that just hits you so hard. It could be dissatisfaction at your job that you thought would be the place that you would retire. Maybe it could be a long-term illness. That you waking up with Leah could be a long-term illness for you. It says in King James Version that she's ugly, and so I want her sister Rachel. That's who I want to marry. And you have become frustrated with where you are. You have become frustrated with the process because you have lowered your eyes, and your eyes should be on the prize. And you'll even be thinking about changing where you are, about leaving, about maybe leaving that marriage or leaving that job. You don't need to leave. You need to stay right where you are. I know you're frustrated, but God is big enough to bless you right where you are. Jacob woke up, and it wasn't Rachel, it was Leah. And that Leah represents this. It represents waking up in an ugly situation. We have to remember that sometimes God just wants you to stay and be faithful and be fruitful right where you are. Sometimes in life, we go through an ugly situation. We go through a thing that we did not expect. And the first thing we want to do is jump up and run and leave. But I'm telling you this, I don't know what kind of heartache you are in today. I don't care what kind of issue you are in today, and I have no idea. I don't know if they have walked out on you, talked bad about you, tried to take your family from you, tried to take your babies from you, but that represents waking up in an ugly situation. But I've got a word from God that you need to stay right where you are. Don't try to run from your problem, because when you get there, that same problem's going to be there. You need to say, God, I'm not going anywhere. God, I'm going to find myself in an altar. I'm not going to lose my praise. I'm not going to lose my joy. I'm not going to lose my faith. We become so dissatisfied. We thought by now in life I would certainly have Rachel, but we don't get to create every situation that comes into our life, but we have a God that is in control. We have to realize sometimes the greatest blessings in your life will come through relationships or positions that you never wanted. You see, Rachel will just, kind of hypnotize you with her beauty and make you think you've already made it. But you have to understand that when you wake up with Leah, it represents every issue that you may ever desire that's ugly in your life that turned. It was supposed to be beautiful. It was supposed to be a God thing, but Leah will drive you to God.